I spy with my little eye. How many objects can you spy with your little eye? And let's collect some prizes along the way. How many Z stars can you collect? I spy 3 things that are yellow. A yellow sun, yellow corn, and a yellow car. Awesome job! You've got a star. I spy 3 things that starts with the letter P. A potato, a peach, and a pencil. Great job! You've got a star. I spy 3 things that can fly. A bee, an airplane, and a butterfly. Congrats! You've got a star. I spy 3 things that are red. An apple, a ladybug, and a red car. Awesome job! You've got a star. I spy 3 vegetables. Broccoli, a carrot, and an onion. Hey, you've got another star. I spy 3 things that are round. A basketball, cookies, and a donut. Great job! Another star. I spy 3 things that you can ride in. A car, a fire truck, and a school bus. Wow, another star! Congrats! Let's see how many Z stars you collected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You've got 7 Z stars. Way to go! Thanks for playing I Spy. You did an amazing job.